Hey guys, we got a July report for you on our classic and challenge birds. Weather's been typical Florida weather right now, raining 1 minute and hotter than the pistol the next. But I got a few birds I wanted to show you guys how we're progressing. The birds are flying about 30 minutes a day right now, and we'll get them up and going in about another 3 weeks. We'll be on the road training. So with that, let's show you a couple of birds. Here we got 8010 Ross Vaquero out of Canada. It's all penny on the face, and the cover flights are missing. He's on the 6th flight, progressing very well. So that's one of the later ones we got in. Here's AA 1902 Baron Ebert, Florida residents. You can see the flights on here. This one's completely done molting. Got a little bit around the head to go still. Challenge birds for the partnership. Nice pigeon. You got another blue here. FSI 638 is Jan Jaworski up in Brooksville. This one you can see he's on the 7th flight also, almost done with the cover flights and the head. It's all penny, nice and healthy. Our birds have been very, very healthy. Clean the loft out every day. Clean, disinfect once a week at least. Of course, they're on vitamins, special grits and everything else. At AA 1920, another barren bird. You can see same thing. All the cover flights are mostly out. Penny around the face. Very nice cockbird. Let's see who else. Got a lot of blue bars in this group. ARPU 55056. Okay, Robert's family loft. Probably one of the younger ones over here. He's on the 6th flight. Just getting ready to drop the cover flights. Penny, a little penny on the head. Very nice pigeon. We'll have them ready when we start training. We'll have everything ready when we get on the road. We have Cook, Pat and Armando, 9123 out of Northern California. The cover flights are coming in. He's on his last flight. You know, we pulled the 8, 9, 10 on all these birds, if I didn't mention it before. Very nice bird. Here's one is 10208. Let's see, I forget who that one is. 10208. Bobby Chua out of Southern California. He got this bird over to us before the quarantine hit in Southern California. We lost at least several hundred birds in the Classic because of not being able to take birds from Southern California. Me personally, I lost at least 40 that people had committed to me. So unfortunately, we didn't get as many birds because of the quarantine. Hopefully it gets resolved in the next couple of months or so. Here's a wee B1 Cecil Romero out of Orange County, California, which wasn't in quarantine. Is on his sixth flight. Little penny, looking good. And we got 3123 O&L, Oscar and Linda DeVries out of Canada. Another one that got here in a little bit later, but he's got one flight to go. Of course, his cover flights. He's starting on the head. Very nice cockbird. And our last one we got for today is Topper 1013, Jose Lopez, out of Orange County also, that wasn't in quarantine. This one, as you can see, is completely done. Everything. Head, tail, feather, completely done. He's done very well. And Tony Malucci's, the last 2 years, he was his first bird over at Tony Malucci's. And if you're not aware of it, Tony passed a week ago, and they had the ceremonies at the club this past Saturday. Very nice tribute to one of our all-time great flyers. Anyways, that's where we're at for this month. So anybody have any calls, any questions, they could call me or email me back. So we'll see you in another couple of weeks.